What's the meaning of boho? Boho. Boho.
Boho. Boho. The term boho is short for bohemian, which refers to an unconventional and free-spirited way of life. It is often associated with artistic and literary individuals who reject mainstream values and embrace an alternative lifestyle. The boho aesthetic is characterized by a mix of patterns, textures, and colors, often drawing inspiration from global cultures and vintage fashion. It is also often associated with a love for nature and sustainability. In modern times, the term boho has been widely adopted as a descriptor for fashion, home decor, and even certain music genres that embody this unique style and way of thinking.